All right, I'm trying something new today. I'm gonna try and knock out this whole video, including this introduction, in 180 seconds or less. For me, from Painfield to Willapa for an oyster, burger, and hot dog burn, and all the way back. Meeting up with some of the Varks. Should be good. Fast and furious, here we go. We don't have time for that, we gotta go. Flight of 3 Smokin Planes. I'll be up high to get some video. Chris is gonna lead them to victory. It's gonna be the best. All right. We're here at Willapa, tons of airplanes, beautiful day, great people. Gonna go check out the food scene, do some hanging out. Well, we are fed, got my coffee, very successful so far. Good Willapa Fly-in, I like it.